Hi, welcome back to Elizabeth's Workshop.
What are we working on tonight?
Tonight we'll be working on part 1 of a monster truck my dad let me build.
All right. So what do we have here? Is these
These are the cars,
the frame?
the frame,
So
blender
according to the
straps.
instructions, we gotta glue. Let's. So, would you like to glue and put them in place?
Yeah.
Remember, just a little bit, okay?
Okay. My dad told me to only use a little.
So go ahead and put it. There. Perfect.
Perfect.
And that's why you're the one squeezing it. There you go. That's great. Good job, Elizabeth.
My dad, sometimes I feel like he, puts too much glue.
All right, so I'll hold this truck while you push the glue in, okay? While you push the bed of the truck in.
So this will be the bed of the truck. It's hard to do this. So ask the parent who knows how to build.
Would you like to put a little bit more glue down there?
Yep.
So just like a little line of glue, maybe? I know, I'm Mr. Overkill. Whoa, even for Mr. Overkill, it's overkill. That's okay, though.
Yep.
Because do you know what we can do with that? So, what I've learned is going ahead and wiping some of the excess. Better do it with some paper towel. Give it to the other side. So we took excess from here and moved it over there. Elizabeth, would you like to put the other side of the truck on?
Yep.
Come on. Full here, there, and everywhere, huh?
Yeah. The truck is being confusing to me.
You're doing great.
So what we're going to do with this is we're going to split up 6 videos.
I don't know about 6. We'll cover different videos, okay?
We'll cover different videos, and then at the end, when all of it's built, paint my company and my specialty.
Okay, Elizabeth. So you want to spread the glue?
Yep.
All on the side? So do you know why we're doing this?
Because the glue sometimes is messy.
And you know that's true. But by doing that, we were able to put glue into the seam. And that makes it stronger.
Yeah.
All right,
Exactly.
Would you like to glue on the top now?
Yep.
Here you go. Probably better. What do you think? Glue up here?
Yeah. This part is a little bit tricky. So ask a parent for help. Your kids could
go. Stop. Now this side?
Oh my God. I put a little
Right,
too much glue.
That's okay. That is okay. It's not the end of the world. I am Mr. Messy myself. So
yeah, he is.
this one. And
Together,
go ahead and push it on down, Elizabeth.
the glue plus the wood is together with the team. Because wood plus glue equals stronger. Ugh. Sorry, my voice is a little confusing, but it's true.
There we go. Nice tight fit. Would you like to
Yep.
wipe up the excess, baby?
Yep. That's what I was going to do.
Good job. Check that. Like nothing's even there.
Do you know why we're doing this, viewers? Because it makes the truck and the wood stronger.
Because it'll push it back into the
Yeah.
seam. All right, so the next part
Is to do the front. I'll do it. I'm very good at gluing. My mom never wants me to use glue, but this is a project. Except projects, she wants me to do glue.
Way to throw me under the bus, kid.
That's my mom. She's cooking dinner. She cooks very loudly.
No. All right, so then why don't we get the cap back on here, please?
I'm the only one who makes the mess with glue.
Oh no, I'm a pretty good mess maker with glue myself.
He's not a mess maker.
Yep, neither of you can be trusted with glue.
But Mom, this is a project. Sorry, don't hear me say that. Pretend I didn't say that.
Here we go. I'm gonna push the car all. Get everything all squared up. Check that out. Starting to look like a car, huh? It's starting to look like a truck.
Yep, it's starting to look like a real fancy truck.
Alright.
I got glue on the table.
It's okay. Alright. So it looks like. So Elizabeth, I think we're gonna have to let this dry now, huh?
Yep.
And we'll come back for part 2.
Tomorrow we'll come back for part 2. So we'll roll the gun.